Welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enter and unlock the mysterious cave in Pirate Cove in Fish It Roblox. So if you want to uncover the biggest secret in the Pirate Cove, the mysterious cave in Pirate Cove is finally accessible, but you'll need some firepower to get inside. So once you talk to the NPC, you'll get to see the mysterious cave quest. So you need to collect 4 TNT, and I'm going to show you the exact location of every TNT barrel to unlock the cave. So let's just get started. So first, once you arrive on the Pirate Cove, you can just here go to the right until you see this right here, and you'll see the first TNT that you can pick up. So you can just go in here and pick up the TNT. Okay, this one, pick it up, and let's move on to the second one. So from the previous location, you can just so in here from the previous location, you can just walk through the docks in here until you see the first house. That's where you can find the second TNT. This one in here. Pick it up again, and you can just walk again in here, and you'll see another one in another house. So you can just walk again. As you guys can see, there will be the other one in here. And for the last location, you can just walk to the other side. And find at the top of the barrel near the fishmonger, that will be the last TNT. And after that, you can just go back to the carpenter in here, or you can just go straight to the cave, to the entrance, and set TNT and blow up. So now the cave is open. You can just go inside and see what's inside. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.